Hey guys, so several of you seemed kind of confused with interval notation. It seems like some of you've either seen it before or you haven't. I wasn't expecting to have people that had never seen it before. So I'm gonna make a video, kind of spontaneous video for you guys. It's Friday afternoon. My kids are probably going to interrupt because I haven't told them that I'm making this video. And I haven't threatened them with their lives. I shouldn't say that out loud. Obviously I'm joking. So just a little info about interval notation. So first thing is we use a bracket when there's an equal bar. So that would be for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Okay, we use a parenthesis. They're having a lot of fun on Roblox right now. When there isn't an equal bar. So that would be for a less than or a greater than. Okay, and on the homework there's some, like I think it's a page or two of kind of instruction for this, but I know sometimes having it explained out loud is easier than reading, so I'm just gonna do a quick, hopefully only about 5-minute video. So we've got a few different things that could happen. Just kind of mixing in some equal bars and some non-equal bars. And then A, B, C, and D are just representing numbers. So think about these on a number line. If I had some number A, and I'm going less than, I have an open dot because it's less than, right? There's no equal bar, and I'm going to the left because it's less than. So this arrow is pointing to negative infinity. And I'm including from, and I said this on the call today, negative infinity or negative infinity is not a number, it's just a concept of going forever and ever, okay? So we can never put brackets around infinity because brackets indicate that we equal a number, and infinity is not a number. So anytime I have an infinity, whether it be positive or negative, there's always going to be a parenthesis around it. So this is indicating I'm going off to negative infinity. And if I read this like a book, I always read graphs like a book from left to right, whether it be a number line, a coordinate plane graph like an XY, any kind of statistics graphs, I always read from left to right. So this is indicating I'm going from negative infinity all the way up to A, whatever that number is, and I'm stopping at A, and I'm not including A, so I put a parenthesis. Parentheses, no equal bar, okay? Think about this one on a number line. This one is saying I'm starting at B. I have a filled in circle because of the equal bar, right? You guys remember that from Algebra 1. And I'm going greater than, so I'm going to the right. So again, I'm reading this like a book from left to right. I'm starting with B. That's the first thing I see. I'm putting a bracket because I have the equal bar. And then this arrow indicates that I'm going to infinity, okay? This one, I can actually break this up into two inequalities. This is a compound inequality. So this part is obvious. X is smaller than D or equal to. Or if I read it this way, I want to read it in terms of X. This is saying X is greater than C. Okay, I'm hoping you guys see that. X is greater than C. So let me look at this. I've got C and I've got D. Open circle on C because of the not having an equal bar. Closed circle on D because it does have an equal bar. I want to go bigger than C, but smaller than D. So these are going to meet up in the middle. Bigger than C, but smaller than D, right? So this is saying if I read this like a book from left to right, I have parentheses because there's no equal bar. I'm starting at C, and I'm going all the way up until I get to D, and then I stop, right? And I have a bracket because there's an equal bar, okay? Oh, that was exactly 5 minutes. Look at me. I hope that helps, and don't stress about this homework. If we need to, we'll spend more time on it next time. Have a good weekend and try not to get too hot. I live in Huntington Beach and it's supposed to be 100 tomorrow, and I don't have air conditioning. I do have one portable unit, and my kids are going to be at their dad's house, so I might just like hole up in my bedroom with the air conditioning unit on. All right, I'll see you guys. Have a good 3-day weekend.